Okay, good day everyone. So for this video, we will be creating a vector object like this one. So this is an angry bird. So you're going to do this also, but uh, with a different character of angry birds. No? So to do that, first we'll create a new file, new. Then a dialog box should appear like this one. Then I'll be clicking standard, okay, and create. Then first we'll be using the oval tool or the ellipse tool over here. So to create a perfect circle shape, you have to hold the shift key on your keyboard. So shift, then drag it like this one. Okay, so we have here the perfect circle. Next we'll be adding the body, the lower part of the body of the angry bird. So I will be removing the fill color here. Then I'll be changing the stroke color into maybe a little bit light yellow. And over here like this one, yeah. So then I'll be removing the excess line here. So just select it using selection tool, select, then delete. Okay, next I will be creating the beak using the rectangle tool. So again, I will change the fill color maybe a little bit lighter, then the stroke color a little bit dark, just like this one. So drag. Okay, so we have here the rectangle tool. Using selection tool, I will be distorting or reshaping this rectangle into triangle, so it will look like the beak of the angry bird. So as you can see there, there's an indicator that you can move the corner of the rectangle, so it has an angle, no, beside the cursor of the mouse. Okay, also on the other side, click and drag maybe over here, and I'll be resizing this one also. A little bit long. Okay, so next I'll be adding the lower part of the beak. Copy, paste, move it here, then right click, transform. Maybe I will rotate it na lang like this one. Right click, transform. Yeah, I think this will work. Then resize. Move it here. Select the corner, just like this one. Also this one. And the lower part to this one. Okay, so it is more like yung beak ng angry bird. Okay, so removing this one, you have to use your imagination and your creativity. Next I'll be moving the beak over here. It's a circle using free transform tool. Move it here, just like this one. Okay, so maybe over here, yeah. Then resize there. So we have the beak. Next I'll be adding the fill color of the lower part of the body, which is here. So using paint bucket tool, change the color of the fill color, maybe a little bit light yellow, yeah, and click. So we have the beak and the body. Next we will be adding the eye. Change the stroke color to black, fill color to white, and there, maybe like this one, yeah. So then the eyeball, again oval tool, and just change the color of the fill to black there, then move it inside the white circle. Zoom in, maybe over here, right there. Okay, so I'll be moving this one over here, yeah. So copy, then paste. So before I move this another eye here, I will first distort this part using selection tool, at least make it lower, just like that one. So here, okay, and move it again here, so right there. So we have the eye, the beak, and the body. Next, I'll be creating the eyebrows using rectangle tool. Change the color, fill color to black, so it will become solid black, like this one. Again, change the form using selection tool to this one, so it should be like this one. So the bird will look like it is really angry. And rotate a little bit, just like this one, and resize maybe a little smaller, just like that. Then move it here. Sorry, I left the outline, so select all and then move it here, just like this one. Okay, I'll be copying these eyebrows. Copy and paste, right click and transform, flip horizontal, so you have the other side right there, yeah. Okay, next we'll be adding the tail of the angry bird. I'll be using the line tool, maybe, yeah, the line tool with a black stroke over here, maybe the mid, yeah, the middle, the first part. Next, the other one, and the other one here. Okay, so I'll be adding the fill color here using paint bucket tool. Yeah. Change the color to black, paint bucket, yeah, so paint bucket, fill color. As you can see here, it does not fill with black, no, it's because it has a gap here to at least perform that, to add the fill. You can add this, adjust this corner over here, or you can change the properties here of the bucket tool, gap size to large gap. Okay, so let's say I'll be moving this one again there. So we have the gap, change the gap size to large gap, then fill it with black, so we have it. Okay, but still there's a gap there, but I'll be moving this line na lang over here, then fill it with black. Okay, also here. So we have the tail, the beak, the eye, the eyebrows. Next, I will be creating the crown. So to create the crown, I'll be using the oval tool. Change the fill color to red. Then I'll be dragging this one like this one. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a oval. If I'm going to zoom in this one, then change the cursor into selection tool. There's a curved line beside the cursor or the mouse pointer. So we will going to change the form of the oval like this one, but it's too wide, no? We will do it a little bit sharp. So to do that, you have to hold the Alt key on your keyboard. So Alt, then click it, then drag it down. Okay, so we have it over here. Then I'll be maybe forming this side like this one, and the other side here, there, yeah, maybe there. Then a little bit thinner here, also here. There you go. Then I'll be removing the excess line here using selection tool again. Click the lower part and then delete. Okay, so I'll be moving this on the forehead of the Angry Bird, maybe over here, right there. Then I forgot the outline, right there. Yeah, so I'll be removing the excess line of the crown inside the head. So using selection tool, just click here, then click delete. So as you can see, it removes the excess line inside the circle. So you have now the Angry Bird without using the pencil tool or the brush tool. Okay, so you can add an animation there. You can add a motion tween. Right click, create motion tween. So maybe like this one. It's like jumping, no? Right there. So play. Okay, so I think that's it. For using this kind of model, like yung red Angry Bird, I'll be giving 95, but if you do or you pick some other Angry Bird character, so we have a lot of Angry Bird characters. There's blue and yellow, which is yung triangle, yung black. Also, you can even draw yung mga pigs. Yeah, so I'll be giving 100 to them. But if you're going to at least use the same model here, yung red, 95 is enough. Okay, so that's it for this video.